In previous lecture, we already discussed the acid and base. Acetic acid, formic acid, carbonic acid, it is example of weak acid. Acetic acid, formic acid, carbonic acid, it is example of weak acid. We are measure its strength by calculating the pH value, which is on the basis of pH value. pH means it is a potential of H plus ion, because acid dissociates into hydronium ion or H plus ion. It is a hydronium ion and H plus ion. It measures the strength of the acid, means pH. By definition of pH, it is a negative logarithm base to 10 molar concentration of H plus ion. Negative logarithm base to 10 molar concentration of H plus ion. Then it measures the strength of the acid. The pH value 0 to 14. There are total, suppose 7 means it is a neutral, below 7 therefore it is a acidic solution, above 7 means it is a basic solution. All acid their values are below 7. When the value pH 5, 5.6, 5.5 up to 6, 6.5, it is a mild acid or weak acid example. But there are some example, their value about 0 point something, 1, 2, it is a strong acid. Like example, hydrochloric acid, it is a strong acid. Nitric acid also strong acid. Sulfuric acid also strong acid. This strong acid are corrosive action on the skin and also cause harmful or painful burn effect on our body. Suppose sulfuric acid, it burn or black our skin. Nitric acid, it yellow our skin. Strong acid, acid like sulfuric acid, it is an example of non-volatile acid. And acetic acid, formic acid, carbonic acid, HCl, nitric acid, it is example of volatile acid. Volatile means which are rapidly evaporate and their boiling point less than 100 degrees Celsius, then it is a volatile acid. And acid indicate by their colors. Acid indicate their colors. Indicate means sign. We are using as an indicator litmus paper, methyl orange as an indicator, phenolphthalein as an indicator. When we use litmus paper, blue litmus paper turn red, blue litmus paper turn red, then it indicates presence of acid. It indicates presence of acid. The blue color convert किस में होता है, रेड कलर में, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, इट इज़ एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन. सपोज प्रेजेंस ऑफ some example, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, their solution in addition add blue litmus paper, it turn red. Some citrus food also blue litmus paper turn red. Some carbonic acid, it is present in Pepsi, then 7-Up, Sprite. This is the highly acidic. When we use litmus paper blue, then it turn red because it having presence of phosphoric acid, carbonic acid, they are acidic in nature. Another example, tartaric acid, formic acid, oxalic acid, it is example of acid, weak acid. Then blue litmus paper turn red, blue litmus paper turn red. We already say carbonic acid, it is present in soft drinks. Blue litmus paper turn red. It indicates the presence of acidic solution by through litmus paper. When presence of base, red litmus paper turn blue. Presence of basic solution, red litmus paper turn blue. When aqueous solution of benzoic acid, hydrochloric acid, which having acid, then addition of carbonic acid, addition of methyl orange. This solution, methyl orange present in the orange color, it convert into pink. Then the compound having presence of acid, it indicate the presence of acid. It indicate the presence of acid in the solution. Methyl orange, it is present in the orange, तो orange में रहेगा, it convert into pink. Then presence of acid. Another by using phenolphthalein. When presence of acid solution, phenolphthalein do not convert into pink color because it remain colorless. It do not convert in a pink color, but presence of basic solution like NaOH, KOH, it when addition of phenolphthalein indicator, then it turn pink color. तो NaOH KOH सॉल्यूशन रहेगा बेसिक सॉल्यूशन, तक इसमें कन्वर्ट होएगा पिंक कलर में. देन वी इंडिकेट which type of solution, it may be either acidic or basic by through phenolphthalein as a reagent, by through litmus paper. When red litmus paper turn blue, then basic solution. When blue litmus paper turn into red, then solution indicate presence of acid or acidic. When methyl orange, presence of acid solution, orange convert into pink. This is a pH, it is a potential of H plus ion, and it measures the strength of acid and base. By definition, it is a negative logarithm base to 10 molar concentration of H plus ion. It measures the strength of the acid. This is the formula of pH. Definition: negative logarithm base to 10 molar concentration of H plus ion. This range pH scale 0 to 14. This 7 means neutral, 14 means it is a highly basic. Suppose this strength increase above 7 to 14, then it is a increase alkalinity, means basic nature, alkalinity. Suppose 11 value pH, 12 value 13, about 14, then it is a highly basic, means highly alkaline solution, alkaline nature. The presence of the pH value about 4, about 5, 6, 7, below 7, then it is a weak acid. It is a weak acid. Then pH value about greater than 0 means 1, 2, it is a highly acidic solution. Highly acidic solution. It is a highly acidic solution. Water is example of neutral. The pH of water is 7. The pH of water is 7. But in our normal water, tap water, which having pH, it may be about 7.2, 7.3 up to underground water. It is a basic in nature, slightly basic in nature. Like example, HCl, H2SO4, H1 strong acid, their pH it is a very small value. The pH NaOH, KOH, it is a strong base, then pH value about 11, 12, 13, it is an example of strong base. Now ionic product of water Kw is equal to molar concentration of H plus ion and molar concentration of OH minus ion. The value of H plus ion is 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 1 into 10 raised to minus 7 about the value of OH minus ion. Therefore, total 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. It is a Kw, ionic product of water. 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. It is ionic product of water. It is ionic product of water. Water dissociation into H plus ion and OH minus ion. Water dissociation into H plus ion and OH minus ion. Then ionic product of water is Kw is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. Now students, reaction of acid with metal like active metal like magnesium. Magnesium react with hydrochloric acid. There are 2 times HCl, magnesium valency 2, therefore Mg plus 2 and Cl minus 1. Therefore, its valency completed by MgCl2. Therefore, Cl2 it is a 2 times, and liberation or evolution of hydrogen gas. When acid means hydrochloric acid react with active metal means magnesium to give hydrogen as a gas. तो Mg plus 2 रहता है वैलेंसी, then 2 times HCl, it gives MgCl2 बिकॉज Mg plus 2 है और Cl क्या है minus 1. तो दोनों को बैलेंस करने के लिए Cl also 2 times, therefore plus 2 and minus 2, therefore MgCl2 and liberation of hydrogen gas. There are 2 hydrogen, therefore H2 formation or evolution of hydrogen gas. It is a highly exothermic reaction, lot amount of heat generate. Same kind of another example by using zinc as a metal, it formation of zinc chloride and liberation of hydrogen gas. It is also exothermic reaction. We also use as a sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid react with Fe metal to give ferrous sulfate and hydrogen gas, it is a acid react with active metal to form hydrogen gas. To form hydrogen gas. स्टूडेंट्स ये याद रखने का है कि एसिड का रिएक्शन एक्टिव मेटल के साथ होता है तो लिबरेशन क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन गैस. तो क्वेश्चन आ गया आप लोगों को ऑब्जर्वेशन में कौन सा गैस रिलीज होता है, तो आपको पता रहना चाहिए हाइड्रोजन गैस इज प्रोड्यूस और रिलीज. सेम काइंड ऑफ मैग्नीशियम react with dilute nitric acid, it is a 1%, then it gives magnesium nitrate and byproduct H2, hydrogen gas evolved. Hydrogen gas evolved. Acid react with manganese Mn. Another acid react with base. Acid react with base. It is a neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, it is obtained salt plus water. Every acid and base reaction, it is a neutralization, it gives salt plus water. When NaOH plus HCl, Na having positive charge, OH means negative charge, hydrogen positive charge, Cl negative charge, positive attached with negative, negative attached with positive, then formation of NaCl and water. NaCl, it is a salt plus water. It is a neutralization reaction when acid react with base to give salt plus water. Same kind of another example, NaCl means common salt, sodium chloride. Same kind of another example, when NaOH react with nitric acid, NaOH react with nitric acid, Na with NO3, positive with negative. इसमें देखो तो Na प्लस है और OH क्या है माइनस, OH क्या है माइनस, NO3 minus NH plus, H attached with OH, then formation of water. It is a formation of water. Look here students, Na, NaOH positive and negative, then plus HN3. It is a positive and negative. Negative attached with positive. Then formation of NaNO3, sodium nitrate, and byproduct water. Sodium nitrate, it is a salt, and water, it is a neutralization reaction when acid react with base. Same kind of another cuprous oxide plus copper oxide plus sulfuric acid, then formation of salt plus water. Formation of salt plus water. Copper sulfate, it is a example of salt. Now reaction acid react with nitrate. In that acid means when potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid, when potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid, then it gives potassium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. Potassium hydrogen sulfate, it is a preparation of volatile acid from non volatile acid. Sulfuric acid क्या है? Non volatile acid. तब non volatile acid convert to volatile acid. Nitric acid, it is example of volatile acid. It is a method preparation of volatile acid from non volatile acid. When potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid, this condition is important, below 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस. स्टूडेंट जब तक ये आप लोग पेपर में नहीं डालोगे तो आप लोगों का स्कोर क्या है? 0. ये लिखोगे तो ही मार्क्स मिलेगा, अदरवाइज आपको मार्क्स नहीं इंक्लूड जाएगा. और बाई प्रोडक्ट पोटेशियम हाइड्रोजन सल्फेट एंड HN3, ये पूरा लिखने का है बैलेंस रिएक्शन, तो ही आप लोगों को मार्क्स मिलेगा. It gives potassium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid. Then another example, same kind of, when we use potassium nitrate 2 times and sulfuric acid, the above temperature 200 degrees Celsius, it gives potassium sulfate and 2 times HN3. This is an important reaction and this condition is important. This condition means it is above 200 degrees Celsius. ये आना ही चाहिए, ये जब तक नहीं आएगा तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. इसलिए 100 आउट ऑफ 100 मार्क्स नहीं मिलते केमिस्ट्री में, क्योंकि बच्चे ऐसे लिखते नहीं है. तो आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि नाइट्रिक एसिड दोनों में मिलता है, लेकिन कंडीशन डिपेंड है. व्हेन बिलो 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस, इट इज़ अ 1 टाइम्स यूज पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट and it gives byproduct potassium hydrogen sulfate. But in case of 200 degrees Celsius, it gives potassium sulfate as a byproduct and 2 times nitric acid. Same kind of another reaction, when we are using lead nitrate, it react with HCl, Pb plus 2, then NO3 minus 1, hydrogen plus 1 and Cl minus 1. Therefore, we get lead chloride and nitric acid as a byproduct. ये आप लोगों को बैलेंस करने का है. हाइड्रोजन प्लस देन NO3 माइनस, therefore it is a 2 times, there are 2 times hydrogen and 2 times NO3, therefore 2 times HN3. lead combined with Pb plus 2 है ना, तो Cl कितने चाहिए? 2, तो PbCl2 आएगा प्रोडक्ट, बाई प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट अनदर मेथड प्रिपरेशन ऑफ नाइट्रिक एसिड, when lead nitrate react with sulfuric acid, then byproduct lead sulfate PbSO4 and main product HN3 2 times. SO4 क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? -2, SO4 -2 and Pb plus 2, therefore it is a valence. PbSO4 lead sulfate and nitric acid. Next another reaction with chlorine, another preparation of volatile acid from non volatile, means formation of HCl from sulfuric acid when NaCl react with H2SO4 below 200 degrees Celsius, same like last reaction. Then it gives sodium hydrogen sulfate and HCl, hydrochloric acid evolve. or it gives hydrochloric acid. But at above 200 degrees Celsius temperature, it gives sodium sulfate. It gives sodium sulfate and 2 times HCl. When 2 times NaCl react with sulfuric acid, then हम लोगों को क्या मिलेगा, सोडियम सल्फेट एंड HCl. तो Na की वैलेंसी इट इज़ अ प्लस, Cl माइनस, SO4 माइनस 2 and hydrogen H plus. Therefore it is a valence by the reaction. Na तो इसमें प्लस, ये प्लस रहता है, ये माइनस, ये प्लस रहता है, माइनस. पॉजिटिव अटैच टू नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव अटैच टू पॉजिटिव. Then it is an example of double displacement reaction and formation of product sodium sulfate and 2 times HCl. The condition above 200 degrees Celsius, but below 200 degrees Celsius it gives salt sodium hydrogen sulfate, and about 200 degrees Celsius it gives sodium sulfate and 2 times HCl. Then we also use as a 2 times NaCl plus H2SO4.